log 50 in terms of log 2 and log 5. Okay, let me take 50 and do the prime factorization. 2 into 25, 5 into 5, 5 into 1. So 2 power 1 into 5 power 2. So I can write this 50 as log 2 into 5 power 2, right? Now apply the reverse formula of log m plus log n. If it is like this, log m plus log n, then the answer is log m times n. And if the question is log m times n, I can write the answer as log m plus log n. In the same way, log 2 into 5 square can be written as log 2 plus log 5 square. And log 2 is nothing but p plus log of 5 square can be written as 2 times log 5 and 2 times log 5 is q. So the answer is p plus 2q. That's it. Next see here. This is very important, okay?